Good evening. I welcome you all for today's session, Universal Shift Register. So now we are in the unit Shift Registers and Counters. So far we have discussed about the types of registers SISO, SIPO, PASO and PAPO. Next register is Universal Shift Register. It is also one among the shift registers. So universal, the name universal means it is a type of register that contains the both right shift and left shift and also parallel load capabilities. That is all the four type of shift registers SISO, SIPO, PASO and PYPO, everything can be implemented here. All type of registers can be accessed here. Generally, these types of registers are taken as memory elements in computers. But the problem with this type of register is that it shifts only in one direction. Simply we can say that the universal shift register is a combination of both bidirectional shift register and unidirectional shift register. So we know the difference between bidirectional shift register and unidirectional shift register. Bidirectional means we can move in both the directions, right? Unidirectional means it is a single direction, either shift right or shift left. Bidirectional means both shift right and shift left can be accessed. So this is this universal shift registers is a combination of both bidirectional shift register and the unidirectional shift register. So before going to universal shift registers, we should know what is a bidirectional shift register. See, this binary number, if it is left by one position to the right, left, it is an equivalent to multiplying the number. Same if it moves one step from right position, it is equivalent to divide the particular number. So these shift registers are the registers that are capable of shifting the data either right or left as per the mode selected. In the mode selection, we have two options. One is high and one is low. If the logic circuit is high, it shifts towards the right direction, and if the logic circuit is low, then it shifts to the left direction. So the logic circuit, we can discuss the same in this circuit. It consists of D flip-flops, like 4 flip-flops. The input data is connected at two ends of the circuit, and depending on the mode selection only, the gate will be active state. So this is the logic circuit of a bidirectional shift register. As I said, you can see 4 flip-flops here. 4 flip-flops are D flip-flop. 4 flip-flops are D flip-flop. So in this D flip-flop, you can see the first flip-flop input, then second flip-flop, third flip-flop, fourth flip-flop. In between each flip-flop, we have a gate circuit like AND and OR circuit gates. So this and OR gates acts as per its logic function. Like we have two mode selections here. One is mode high, that is logic 1, and another one is mode low, that is logic 0. And we have serial input and serial output. So the serial output from right shift and serial output from left shift. So both the directions has been taken place here, shift right and shift left, and we have a common clock pulse, and also we have a preset clear pin. So both this shift right and shift left access will be accessed. It will not access at a time. If shift left means shift right will be disabled, and in shift right means shift left will be disabled. So here in this mode selection, we give two inputs like 0 and 1. If your input is 1, if your mode input is 1, then your shift left direction option will be accessed, and your data will be shifted from one flip-flop to another flip-flop in right side. If the mode selection is 0, this shift right will be disabled, and your data will be moved from mode, that is your serial left to right. That your data will be moved from shift left. So this input is your left side is shift right and your right side output is shift left. So if your mode 0 means shift left and mode 1 means shift 1 operation will be taken place. So this is all about your universal shift register. So here also you can see n-bit universal. This is about bidirectional, and combinedly this bidirectional is implemented in this universal shift register. Same we are having parallel output bits and parallel output parallel input bits and parallel output bits. N-bit universal shift registers consist of flip-flops and multiplexers. Both are n in size. In this, all the n multiplexers share the same select lines, and this select input selects the suitable input for the flip-flops. Thank you.